Howdy y'all, I'm Clay Cooper from the Clay Cooper Theater, and I can't wait for you to ride Runaway Mountain Coaster. Now your safety is our #1 priority, so let's start with a few reminders. The following age, height, and weight requirements are strictly enforced. Since this is an active participation ride, we ask you to wear appropriate clothing and footwear. You must be able to read, understand, and follow all instructions and signs, including the informational signs on the front of the building and the signs along the runaway. An adventure agreement must be filled out for all participants before you get your tickets. Now you're going up a real mountain. Losing your sunglasses, keys, or phone is not how you want to spend your vacation. Please leave all articles in your vehicle, or small items can be placed in a locker in our gift shop. When boarding, please stay in the designated safe area until you are called. To enter your cart, sit on the side, rotate, and then slide into your seat. Our adventure specialist will properly secure your seatbelt. Please keep both hands on the handlebars. Remember, you will be in control. You push the handlebars forward to go and pull back to whoa. When given clearance for takeoff, push the handlebars forward until you clear the building. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery, wildlife, and views of real mountains and woods on your 5-minute ride up Branson Mountain Adventure Park. At the top, push your handlebars down. Once you pass the building, then you are in control. The driver must keep hands on the handlebars, and passengers hold on to the handle throughout the downhill ride. Keep hands and feet inside the cart at all times. Please only stop in an emergency and always stay in your cart. During the daytime, we ask that you stay at least 80 feet from the cart ahead of you. And at nighttime, or if the track is wet, we ask that you please stay 180 feet from the cart ahead of you. As you approach the unloading dock, pull back on the handlebars and slow your cart to a moderate speed. Once stopped, the attendant will help you out of the cart and instruct you to please exit to the left and clear the way for runaway riders coming behind you. Thank you for riding, and remember to tell everybody that you rode the longest, fastest, and tallest mountain coaster in the Midwest. Runaway Mountain Coaster at Branson Mountain Adventure Park on Highway 165.